two HP inkjet cartridges. One is 805 tricolor, another one is tricolor, another one is 805 black hitam. Yeah, these are the two colors I bought it for today. Because of my HP printer is not working, not getting the prints properly because of the ink is dried, but I am not able to recover it. Today I bought it for this printer, and it supports HP DeskJet 21 1210 1211 1212 1213 2330 2331 2332 2333 2720 2721 HP Desk Plus 4120 4121. Like this printers it used to support. This is the black ink cartridge. It is getting the totally we should get 120 pages for this cartridge. It is I bought it from the shop directly instead of online. Some of the things we may not believe in the online course. Like this we bought it. This is tricolor. This is the color cartridges. We need two cartridges. It gives around the 100 pages. We can get the 100 pages if it is working perfectly. The maximum retail price is 790. I got for the 750 from the shop. This supports like this. It support 2332. I have 2332, 2333, 2720. HPD Desk Plus 4120, 4121, 4122. This one we will unbox this one. Finally I will show the installation of this one, how it will unbox. This is these both the cartridges. The cartridges are very costly. Seems to be this is the 700 rupees, this is the 750, total 1450. But the printer cost is almost 3000. The half of the cost we need to pay. But anyhow, we need the prints in the during the lockdown conditions in this pandemic situation. For the children, we bought this. This is mandatory. We can't do anything. I have opened the seal of the color cartridge. It is similar to that one. What we have this one. It is showing the tricolor cartridge. This one is the black cartridge. This one is the both. This one is the color cartridge, tricolor cartridge. Now let us see how we can install in the. So many people don't know about to install a cartridges in the existing printers. Let us see how we can install in the printer. This is the 2332 HP inkjet printer. Let us see how we can install this one. Before that one, we need to switch on the printer, and the light is glowing here. Light is glowing. All the options here. Here we can see the options, and after that we need to open this door. We have to open this door to install the ink cartridges. Yes. These are the old existing cartridges. These things are not working at all. First of all, we need to remove these cartridges from the printer. We will see how we can remove this one. This is the color cartridge. This one like this. These are not working. We'll remove the black cartridges. This is the black cartridge. Similarly, we have to buy the black 805. 805 cartridges only will work. Before you buy, you check this labeling and buy from the store. Otherwise, your money will waste. These are the color cartridges. This is the 805 color cartridge got from the unpacked. This is the 805 color cartridge unpacked here. like this. We need to unpack. These all are things are the unpacking things only. You need to buy before you buying. Please check the your cartridge number 805 8803. What cartridge you going to fit in your printer. We'll place this. We'll install the in the printer. I already am having the 2332 printer. Installing. So this is the called as the writing. The ink will is coming from here. They are sealed here. We need to remove these cases, these stickers before putting into the printer. Otherwise, it won't to work. You have to remove these covers. These are the head writers to protect the to dry off the your printer. I am removing. These are the covers here. This is the I got removed. Others cartridge also. Both stickers on the cartridges. Let us install the cartridges in the print. Yeah, you can see the this cartridge status. Basically, we don't have the any cartridges. The lights are glowing. This is the color cartridges. This is the black and white cartridges. These black and white cartridges, both LEDs are glowing, means we don't have the any cartridges inside the printer. After installing the cartridges, the lights will gone off in the printer. Make sure when once it is open, it will come down to the center. The heads will come down to the center. Like this. Make sure very carefully in the color path you need to install the color cartridges, black and white. Otherwise, it will mislead the printer working condition. I am installing this one. Yeah, I have installed this one. Like this, you need to install the black and white cartridge as well. Yes, see this one. Properly make sure the cartridges are being installed properly or not. Some page is coming. Yeah, it's good. It's printing good quality. Print is coming. We are got this one. This is printing the very good quality in the black and white. Status on the desktop. It is opening the printer graphical user interface. See how the ink is full here. The ink status also is showing full. I have installed the printers, the ink cartridges properly. Yeah. See here. You can see the status of the printing from this graphical user interface. Yeah, perfectly. It is showing the ink levels properly. Let us print the one by one. Printer test page I am giving here. We can select. I am giving only one page. Yeah, one page and print the black. I'm printing the color paper. Printing. Yeah, it's printing excellent quality. Inside the color only it's coming. Yeah, we are getting in the color mode. Earlier I not given the color, now I am getting the color mode. This is the C. This is the C how he got the color paper. Thank you for watching my channel. If you want any comments and comment on the comment box and let's subscribe.